Hey folks, welcome back to Busted Stud Garage. We're here again with the C4 Corvette. This is a 1986 Pace Car Edition. Pretty sweet ride. Anyway, we're getting back to the smog removal, so we're gonna rip out these air injection tubes. Not really doing any good, and I'm pretty sure they don't add any horsepower. So we're gonna remove those and cover over the holes in the manifold. So the first thing you want to do is get your BSG penetrating fluid and put a liberal amount. Make sure you get that good down there and all the nooks and crannies right on the manifold. So when you start this up, everyone will know. Next thing is we're going to get a little grinder we can fit in there and cut off them tubes right down flush with the manifold. Yeah, don't spend $10,000 on a nice C4 Corvette like this, because you can buy one for only $700 and then spend $12,000 fixing it up, and it's still not as nice as the $10,000 one you were gonna get. Anyway, we're gonna cut off this little one of these pipes here. Oops. All right, that was easy. We're gonna get another one and try not to hit the ignition wires. There's one down here. See if I can get that one. Well, you get the picture. Grind all those things off of there. I think I'm going to modify this heat shield. Very precision cut right here. Watch out. Got it. Clean up these nubs. Oh, it's a small fire. Hey, I'm gonna open the door, maybe call 911. It's probably fine. So as I mentioned, that penetrating oil, BSG patented formula, had a terrific effect. So now we're gonna weld over these holes where the tubes used to be. And yeah, you get out the welder. All right, back at it now. Like we're done with this thing. I'm gonna weld over these holes. I'm gonna use a MIG welder because I ran out of JB weld. So we're gonna MIG that over with some real metal steel. Those holes right there. The great thing about a MIG welder is you don't know what's gonna happen until you start. Oh. Turn the helmet on, for fuck's sake. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Some fucking magic touch right here. This is just a small fire. All right, so we polished off those tops there of the manifold. If you don't like to rub it off, that's okay. You could just leave it and it's fine. You know, no worries. So there's no leaks. This is awesome. The tubes are gone. So much cleaner now. We're gonna do the other side, and I hope you enjoyed this video from the Busted Stud Garage. If you like this sort of thing, please subscribe and tell your friends, of course. Give it a like And we're going to have a lot more awesome stuff like this coming up in the future. Thank you for watching. That's good. It's good. That's the BSG lubrication. So there you go. I think that came out pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments. Maybe you could have done better. Let me know what you think, and I would really love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.